The question is, how do you start your mornings?
Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. What you need from me, need your love on me, put your love on me. I'ma do everything for you. I don't want anyone but you.
Hey y'all, so today I'm going to show you how I start my mornings as a vegan. I don't do a whole lot of calories in the actual morning, but I do a lot of liquids because there's great benefits in fasting. So first I start with a glass of water. I usually put key lime in, it's got great benefits as well, or you can do regular lime or lemon to make it easier on yourself. Just go to the store and get one of these. I will show you. Basically organic lemon juice, already done, already ready. You just take that, you pour it in your water in the morning and you get everything digestion, getting all that goodness, you know what I'm saying? Okay, so I take a little bit. Here's my water. Boom, look at that. That was too much, but it's okay. So you can also start with warm water in the mornings. You could do tea, you can add a little bit of lemon if you want. I do like a whole full glass of water in the morning without anything, and then I add my lemon, and I drink my lemon water. Then once I'm done with that, I make a smoothie. And it's not that you have to sit there and do all these things. You can really just drink your water and then make your smoothie the night before. You know, you can have everything really fast and easy. So I just blended this up. What's gonna be in it is orange juice, fresh squeezed orange juice, spinach, apple, orange. Also, I recommend getting a big bag of oranges, then you can just take one, peel it, throw it in there. Some pineapple, and I think that's it. So spinach tends to go bad really fast. You can literally buy this big bag right here. You just throw it in the freezer, or take all your spinach out, put it in a freezer bag, and then freeze that, and it lasts for forever. And the best part is it doesn't get all stuck together. So look, it's like low-key chips. So I just took handfuls of that and put it in my smoothie, and then you got your green smoothie. Look at that. You see that? So once I'm done with my water, which I'm not, then I'm gonna take a big old glass and I'm gonna fill that and the floor up with smoothie. Shit. Let me show you. Sweet, delicious, all natural, organic. You're just feeding your body with what you're supposed to have. You know what I mean? So that's how my mornings go. I don't eat until about 12 or 1, I'd say. And then when I finally do eat, I eat something a little bit lighter because I like to ease my body into it. I notice also a very large difference in my skin when I don't eat too late, and then I wake up and I go straight to liquids. And then I don't eat until about noon, and with that, I feel so much better. My energy level's up, and I have the energy when I need it the most, which is during the day, so. Shall we just go over the fasting benefits real quick? Let's see. Promotes blood sugar control. We need that. Boosts my metabolism. Okay. It fights inflammation, so duh. It could delay aging. It helps with weight loss. Improves your immune, it improves everything. Into fasting and take your time. Don't have to jump in and do a whole week's worth. You could do just a half a day, you know? And you'll get over the little jitters and the weird feelings you get. Your body's not used to not eating. So think of it this way. Your body never takes a break from working. So it's digesting. Then you go to sleep with food in your stomach. It's digesting all night. You wake up, you eat, digesting all day. You're just basically digesting nonstop. If you give your body the break that it needs, it starts to heal itself. It starts to work on the inside. Anyways, drink your lemon juice, drink your water, drink your smoothie. Smell, taste, look good, you know what I mean? Okay, bye y'all.